Continuing on with their travel range of cameras, today we see Panasonic announce their brand new TZ95. Boasting Leica optical technology with its 30x zoom, super fast autofocus and 4K internal movie recording, this pocket-friendly compact may just be your ideal travel companion. But can it be your go-to camera for day-to-day activities? With a limited time to play, I headed out along the south coast to put the TZ95 through its paces. This ultralight travel camera houses a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, and when paired with its 30x Leica optical zoom lens, which you can push to 60 times via the intelligent zoom range, you can really see why the TZ is aimed towards users wanting a great all-round camera with minimal size and weight to carry. You can shoot both JPEG and RAW with an ISO range of 80 to 3200. Options to shoot in full manual, shutter and aperture priority or fully automatic means the TZ is accessible for a beginner to advanced users. The optical range starts from an equivalent 24mm, perfect for any wide-angle land or cityscape photos, and continues through to an impressive 720mm, bringing you right into the action whilst out shooting. To help you handle this vast zoom range, the TZ95 has 5-axis optical image stabilization, keeping your shots sharp and clear even when fully extended to the 30x optical zoom. On the back of the camera, just below where your thumb rests, you have a number of optional buttons. One of these is a Zoom Compose Assistant button, which when holding retracts your lens back in, allowing you to frame your subject easily before instantly zooming back out to capture your image. This is ideal for anyone following a moving subject, like animals and action sports, as it can be a real struggle to find your subjects once fully zoomed in if you lose them from your frame. The ultra-fast 0.1 second autofocus can lock on easily and track your subjects at a burst rate of 10 frames per second in single shot focus mode, or 5 frames per second in continuous focus mode. If you need to take it to the next level, you can also switch across into 4K photo mode, where you can shoot a sequence of 30 frames in a second and extract your best shot afterwards, so you'll never miss that precise moment. You can use this feature too while shooting in selfie mode with a group of friends to make sure everyone in your photo has their eyes open and are smiling. We also see the post-focus mode, where you can shoot a photo with varied subject distances from yourself, and once captured you can choose which part of the image you would like in focus, whether the front, middle or back of the frame. Simply tap the monitor and select Save to store your images. The 3-inch touch LCD monitor tilts all the way up to 180 degrees above the camera, facing you, the user. Along with this, the TZ has the option of using the high-resolution live viewfinder, making it perfect if in a bright or difficult to see environment. With the flip-up screen and the face and eye detection, you can really see that Panasonic have aimed this camera towards people heading off on holiday, wanting to take a quick vlog, short videos of themselves. The inbuilt 5-axis image stabilization as well, this is really useful, so that when you're walking along like I am, holding it at arm's length, you still get a fairly smooth and stable image. Now we're walking along shingle, it's a little bit breezy, but I'm hoping you can still hear what I'm saying, and this is with the inbuilt microphones, so if you can hear this I'm still pretty impressed. Video quality on the TZ95 hasn't been left out either. Shoot up to 4K movies at 30p or step it down to Full HD for 60p capture if you're looking to slow down your footage in post. A long battery life of approximately 380 shots on a single charge gives you the power you need for a day out shooting. The TZ also charges via USB, so no need to take a charger with you, and if you need topping up, simply plug in a power bank while out on your travels. Connectivity by Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and geotagging via the inbuilt GPS means your TZ95 is always connected, automatically downloading and transferring your images across to a smart device so you can share them with your friends and family instantly. Overall, you can tell that the Panasonic TZ95 has been designed for travel use photography. Its compact, pocketable build with that massive 30x zoom is something that people who say, for instance, are going on safari would really quite admire. High-end image quality, really good video functionality, stabilization inside, as well as a flip-out screen for vlogging and that electronic viewfinder. For me, the stabilization and video functions have far exceeded anything I would have expected. For any more information, head over to lcgroup.co.uk or pop into your local London Camera Exchange.